everyone and welcome back to my channel. I've been away for a bit, but I'm back now. And today I want to show you my glossy box for the month of March. So let's unbox it together and see what's inside. So we'll open it up and the first thing we'll see as per usual is the Glossybox magazine. I'm actually really surprised. Lately I've been getting my Glossybox very early in the month. Usually it's been like the last 2-3 days of the month, and now it's like the first week. I don't know, they must have changed something. I guess they got a lot of complaints. Anyways, so this month's theme is beauty school. That's how it looks like, and we'll look into that later. And we'll open up the box and we'll see what's inside. Okay, so the first thing I see is something pink. It's from Skin Chemists. It's a Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Boost Plump Glow. To say, smooth evenly over lips as needed, may be used under lipstick or alone. It has peppermint oil. Aims to make the lips look plumper and smoother, obviously. And that's how it looks like. It's nice. Well, I guess that's why it's called rose quartz, because it looks like a rose quartz. And it smells like peppermint. I have lipstick on right now, so I'll try it later. Next thing I see is a Bella Pierre Shimmer Roll. Okay. Face, body, and eyes, I guess. Let's see. That's how it looks like. Oh, wow, that's like, oh, that's, it's going everywhere. I guess it's a powder. I thought it's gonna be an oil. It's a powder, and it looks like this. I don't know if you can actually see that. It looks really nice, but it's a powder. So I did not think this was going to be a powder. I thought it's going to be, because it was a roll-on. So that's quite interesting, actually. Then we have the Ritual of Namaste Purify Natural Skincare Velvety Smooth Cleansing Foam. Now this I love because I already had it. I already told you about it. It's really, really nice, and I really like that foam, and it smelled really good. Yeah. So I'll put that in my travel bag because I have all of those minis in a little travel bag, and whenever I need it, I just take the bag. And then we have a makeup brush cleanser. Spray directly onto brush, hair, and gently wipe on a paper towel. Use sparingly so as not to soak brush hair. For deeper cleaning, work cleanser into brush hair and rinse in cool water only. Squeeze excess water and lay brush flat to dry. Oh, that's really nice. And it's by Bodyography Pro, made in Canada. That's how it looks like. I tried that one out. I need to clean my brushes anyways. And then we have a face cream by Dianamine Laboratories, Hyaluron and Detox Ultra Protect Lift Plus. Oh, it has an SPF of 50 plus. I guess it's a day cream. Does it say something? It has hyaluronic acid in it. Oh, this company exists since 1904. Wow, so I'm excited. Some really good stuff in there. So we'll take a look into the magazine and see what we got. So the brush cleanser. So this little spray bottle here is 11 euro. 11 euro. The Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. This one right here. This is actually, is it though? Yeah, that's an original sized one, original product. It's 28, so that's like 39 already. And then we got the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Shimmer Roll. And that's 15. So 39, 49, 54. 54 euro. 54. And then this one is 19. So 54, 64, 73 euro. And then we have this one here, 74, and did I skip it? 74. Okay, so that's like half the size, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, that's like, I guess this size would be about $4. So it's about, well, the value of the box is about 80 euro. So that's pretty amazing if you ask me. I only paid 15 euro for it. So that's really, really exciting. They had some really nice products in here this time too. So if I keep looking here, they had some really nice things. They had a coconut scrub. They had detox masks in here. They had some Real Techniques brushes inside as well. And then the next edition is going to be Spring Secrets. So I guess it's gonna be something springy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up down below. Let me know if you like my new background. I actually got a vanity from IKEA. I made it myself. I'm really excited. There is going to be more decoration in the background. We just moved and it's not ready yet, but I'm really excited to get this corner here as a new filming background, so I'm really excited. But yeah, I hope to see you in my next video, and then yeah, have a great day and see you next time. Bye!